Hello guys, here's another simple but powerful strategy. Okay, here's another strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so I'm going to keep this video simple and short. Okay, now for this strategy there are just few conditions that you need to observe before taking an entry. Okay, now first of all, before I show you how the strategy work, okay, I'm going to quickly share the settings. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on the F icon. So after clicking on the F icon, you search for your relative strength index. Okay, you're going to be adding the relative strength index first. Okay, so you search for the relative index and then click on it. Then you're going to have a setting like this. Okay, you are setting the period to 15 and then the apply to, you set it to close. Under the style we have 1 pixel and then you make the color of your background. Okay, and then under the levels we have 85 and then 15. Okay, so after this you click on done. Then the next indicator we are to add is the envelope. Okay, so under the relative strength index we are going to be adding the envelope. Okay, so we are going to be clicking on this F icon. Okay, we're going to be clicking on this one, and then after clicking on that one, and then we search for the envelope. Okay, then after searching for the envelope we click on it, then we make the period 14, shift is 0, deviation we set it to 0.001. Okay, the method is simple, apply to, close, and then under this style we have upper band 4 pixel, lower band 4 pixel, and then the color you make it black. Okay, you make the both color black. So after that you click on done, and then the next indicator is the moving average. Okay, you search for the moving average and then you click on it, and then you have something like this. Okay, period 5, shift 0, exponential, apply to close, and under the style we have 4 pixel, the color is yellow, or you can choose any color of your choice, then click on done. Okay, so now that is for our indicator window 1. So before you like add the indicator window 2, okay, we are going to be clicking on this F icon. Okay, on the up F icon. So after you click on that one, we are going to search for the awesome oscillator. Okay, which is our first indicator here, right here. Okay, so after searching for the awesome oscillator, you click on it, you are going to have something like this. Okay, you just click on done. Okay, that is not something you stress yourself about. So after that we search for the relative strength index again. Okay, you add it same as the first one. Okay, you don't need to change anything, just click and then you click on done. Then after that we add the moving average again, you search and add moving average. Okay, so here we are going to use period 1, which is this one, shift 0. Method is simple, apply to, we use first indicators data, and then under the style we use 4 pixel, the color is yellow. Okay, then after that you click on done. Okay, and then you go back, you're going to have something like this, you're going to have a screen like this, guys. Then now how does this strategy work? Okay, it's very simple, guys, very simple, nothing to be confused about. Okay, now what we are going to do is to allow our you are to allow your relative strength index and the envelope, okay, this yellow and black line you are seeing here, to get to the 15 level here. Okay, once it is at the 15 level, the next thing you do, you check if the awesome oscillator is also at the 15 level. Okay, it's also at the 15 level on the second indicator window. So One thing you need to take note is that the both indicator needs to be in agreement, okay? They need to both touch the 15 level, okay? And if it's on bone, they need to both touch the 85 level, okay? So once you see this condition met, the next thing you do, you're going to wait for the yellow line here, okay, to cross above the black one, okay? It needs to cross above the black one. So immediately you see it crossing, that's when you are going to go in for 5 candle, guys. You take nothing more, nothing less, okay? Just take 5 candles and then you are out. Make sure they both touch first. After touching the 15 level, both of them are in agreement, then you wait for the crossing and then you take your 5 candles, okay? You can see this is another example here. So the strategy is a good one, it works perfectly. And make sure you 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 stick to 5 candles, and make sure you back test this strategy first before you use it on your real account, okay? So as you can see here, immediately it cross, we get our 5 candles from here, and then it spike, okay? We wait for it. So you can see after it spike, it was touching the 15 level here, and it was touching the 15 level here again too, okay? So what you need to do is to wait for the crossing, and you can see there was a crossing here. So you take another 5 candles from this area here, another 5 candles, and then you wait for the next opportunity, guys. So that is how simple this strategy is. So that is all about that is all for this strategy. So just need to test it out on your demo account first, and then when you see that it's working for you, then you can apply it on your real account and then trade and make money from this strategy, okay? So that's all for this strategy. So if you get value, make sure you hit the like button, and then if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so. Thank you for your time. Silver out.